We stepped into the ladderway and went down about 20 feet to the first landing. Feather then produced matches and lit my candle. Some clay was wrapped around it and it was stuck to the front of my hard hat. My father said to me, when you are on the ladder, never look down. Oh, Tut, your hands and your feet, they will find their own way. We continued our endless journey down into the blackness. My back was stiff and sore, and my hands were numb with the continual clutching of the ladder rungs. After 2 hours climbing, we finally reached the landing stage. I was 1,600 feet underground. I was 9 years old.